just gonna put a little bit of makeup on so that I can channel the like hot girl study sesh instead of weird little gremlin study sesh. I can't do much because I have this little tiny scratch under my eye. Should I do a little transition? Are you ready? I'm gonna look no different by the time I finish this. Oh my god, I look the exact same. Now it's time to do some work. I'm currently analysing this 9-page poem. That is my first task of the day. I also have a little pot of dried mango. I've finished. It's so gorgeous. I'm now gonna try and put together like a rough plan for this essay. I just remembered that a family friend got me this lovely Taylor Swift calendar. I've written my deadlines in it, which will help me stay on track a lot. Ta-da! This is yet another checkup. I am currently 421 words into my first essay. I want to try and hit 520 because the first like 20 or so words are just a question. That doesn't count as part of my word count. So I'm gonna do this and then I'll have a long break. The year that I kind of just let myself go. This smells like homegrown. My break is now over. I decided to take an extra module and do a Korean module. My exam for that is on the 25th. I missed quite a bit of content, so I have a lot to catch up on. I definitely should have started revising earlier. I'm taking a little mid-session study break to do some Goodreads maintenance. I haven't set my reading goal for this year yet, which I am always so excited to do. This year, I want to read 52 books. Can you see that? 0 out of 52. I have a bunch of books, well, I have like one book that I just want to add, which is Good Material by Dolly Alderton. This one.